Hello and thank you for watching today's unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing a scooter made by Afikim. It's known as the Afiscooter S3 Breeze. All you need is something sharp to cut some of the pallet straps. There are 3. This scooter comes on a big pallet. You do need ample space. We took it out back so that we can have plenty of space and plenty of natural sunlight to show you this unboxing assembly process. It's pretty straightforward. Once you cut the pallet straps, go ahead and remove the lid of the box. You can literally just pick it straight up. We're going ahead and moving it out of the way. And the next thing we're going to do is begin to remove the plastic sheet. It's important that you keep all of the packaging materials and the box while trying to prevent as much damage to the packaging as possible in the unboxing process in case you need to return your unit. Along the base or the floorboard, there are 2 additional straps which you'll need to cut. You do need something very sharp to cut them. They are tough. We're going ahead and removing those. This scooter has a 500-pound weight capacity, can travel up to 28 miles, has a max speed of 9.3 miles per hour, a ground clearance of 5 inches. It has a 1400-watt motor, and it's possible of taking inclines that are up to 8 degrees. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is lift the tiller. We wanted to show you where that button's located. Once you lift that tiller, you can actually go ahead and then remove the cargo storage box, which attaches to the back of the chair with 4 screws. 4 washers come with it inside of the cargo storage container, which we'll show you later. Now we're going to want to raise the seat up. There is a recline lever on the left side, which you want to just raise up a bit and then lift the back of the seat. There is a spring-loaded mechanism there, so it does kind of spring forward. It will require a little bit of hand strength. The armrests do flip up. And underneath the scooter, you're going to find that there are some packaging boxes and the user manual. You'll want to go ahead and remove that. You may need to cut some of the straps holding it under the scooter. But again, you're going to find 2 boxes. A white box with the charger, a brown box with a mirror, and a user manual. It's highly recommended that you read the entire user manual so that you know how to operate this unit safely. It is a very powerful scooter. You must read the user manual before operating the scooter. Now we're showing you that there is a freewheel lever. You need to engage that freewheel lever so that you can roll the scooter off of the box. Also in the rear, you're going to find the headrest for the seat. It pops in very easily like an automobile headrest. As you can see, all you have to do once the freewheel lever is engaged is roll it right off the pallet. It's very straightforward. It has a ton of ground clearance, so it's perfectly safe to do so. Next, we're removing the little zip ties that have the bubble wrap around the handlebars to get the scooter ready for demo. As stated earlier, the rear storage cargo box, which is lockable, has hardware inside of the unit in a little bag. It comes with washers and screws. It's very easy to install. There's just 4 screw holes on the back of the chair and 4 screw holes on the cargo box. Go ahead and line it up and screw it in. Don't over tighten. We're not going to install the cargo box during this video, but it's a very straightforward process. Here we're doing a little walk around of the Afiscooter S3, and as you can see, it's a really nice looking scooter with a captain's chair that's capable of rotating 360 degrees, and it also has a slidings feature which allows you to move forward closer to the handlebars or further away. Just like earlier, we wanted to show you that tiller adjustment feature. You can bring the tiller handlebar closer to you or further away. There's a mode button to switch between miles, hours, and many other speed modes that you can see. You can track your distance, your miles per hour. There is a light switch, which is blue, a turn signal. On the right side, you have the horn, and the left side. You do have a speed 1 and a half speed switch to control the top speed, or reduce the speed in half, rather. There's 2 USB charging ports, 2 cup holders, a charging port that's located high up so you don't have to bend down to charge it. There is a front locking storage compartment as well as a rear, and there is a forward and reverse function, so you don't have the typical delta tiller which allows you to go forward or backwards with just one lever. You actually have to control the forward and the backwards switch to change between forward mode and reverse mode. Other than that, it's a pretty straightforward unit to operate. You have a handbrake on the left-hand side, similar to a bicycle brake, but you don't need to use it. That's just an emergency brake. That's going to help you brake a little bit faster than the automatic regenerative electromagnetic braking system that it comes equipped with. So if you feel like you need to slow down a little bit faster, that left hand red handle is actually the emergency brake. You can lock it so that you can keep the unit locked in place, but this, for a three-wheel heavy-duty scooter capable of holding 500 pounds, is very maneuverable, and we're going to show you just how maneuverable it is. You can take turns in this narrow little walkway, do U-turns really easily. We're really impressed with this scooter. It's one of our favorite three-wheel heavy-duty off-road scooters. It's got big tires with full suspension. This unit is highly customizable. You can learn more about this scooter, and you can buy it tax-free with free shipping on our website, mobilityscootersdirect.com. We have the links in the description. We highly recommend this scooter for someone that wants a top-of-the-line outdoor scooter capable of handling various types of terrains. If you enjoyed this video, we do ask that you drop a comment below or like it. And if you're really into what you see here in this video, we have several videos that we release almost weekly. All you have to do is subscribe to get notified when we release new videos just like this one. I'm Sergio. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.